Watch the froggy. Watch the froggy. It's slimy. Look at the little froggy. See it? It's a froggy. There it goes. Look, it's hopping. Watch, it's gonna jump. It's gonna jump.
You see it?
Oh, there it goes.
You see him?
Touch the butt.
Look, it grabs on.
That's so cool.
Should take a picture of that.
I'm taking a video.
That's so cool. It's a finger frog.
It's just so weird that it was just on the grass.
Little frogs like these, even smaller ones, they like hot tubs because of like the steam heat.